Hey, welcome back to Always Learning. What are we doing today? Well, today we're learning how to oversee the lawn with sand. And I've got this little cooler that we're going to use. We're going to put sand, we're going to put seed in it. Then I got a little shovel here, a little trowel. And then I went and picked up some, just, 5 pounds of grass seed. And then I went and got place sand at Lowe's, and we're going to mix all that up, and I'm going to show you how to oversee the lawn to make it come in beautiful and fill in those holes in your lawns, those bare spots that don't look so good. All right, so mixing your sand up and your seed is highly technical. I'm kidding. I don't even know what the real ratio is. I just kind of eyeball it. But I'll fill the cooler bottom with a little bit of sand, and then I just take a handful of seed, dump it in there, and then I just kind of mix it, making sure I get the corners. Mix that up. If you want, throw on a little more seed, kind of eyeball it. Pour in another quarter of sand. Throw in another handful of seed, and then mix all that up, and then just do it again. I mean, you want to make sure you get it kind of evenly distributed, but I probably have more seed than I need. I don't know what the proper ratio is. It's probably, so much, but again, it works. Works 80% of the time, every time. So yeah, just mix it up, and then like I said, throw a little on the top for good measure. And you're going to kind of mix it as you go. That's it. All right, so the concept is, I've already done these here. I just had little pockets where there wasn't any grass growing. So you just kind of fill it in, and it'll probably 5 days, 7 days, it'll germinate. It'll all fill in. But you can see here, I came in, I put peat moss down because a buddy had told me that his landscaper or handyman said always use peat moss because there's no weeds in it. So, but the problem with peat moss is it pretty much mats everything down and keeps anything from germinating. So you can either take your shovel, like they do at the golf course, and just fill in an area, or you take your hand, but you're just spreading it looking to get coverage in these areas. You can use your hand if you wanted to. Feel like the shovel makes me feel like more like a golf pro. And that's it. You just kind of keep going and refilling. I just like the bucket because it's not very heavy, and you can mix up a small batch in it, and then it's easier to get into with your hand and shovel than a bucket, even a 5-gallon bucket. So this is what the golf courses use. They just set a little cooler on the back. When you run out of sand, you put your beer in it. But that's it. And like I said, 5 to 7 days, this will germinate, and we'll have a filled-in lawn. And you're just kind of walking the lawn, looking for any area. You got tree roots that are gonna probably need filling in. You're gonna have areas where rabbits and squirrels, I don't know if you can see it here, but I've got a little game trail going on, but I've got all these little areas that you could technically, fill them all in if you wanted to. You'll grow grass for a season, and then you'll have to fill them in next year. Here's kind of a little game trail going along here. Like I said, 5 to 7 days, this will go. Now this is fescue, and so I'm doing it on fescue because fescue is a clump grass, and it's not going to spread like zoysia or Bermuda. So you've always kind of got to fill it in. You could get sod, that's the faster way to do it, but then you got to cut the pieces, and it's not hard to grow grass. You just need right amount of seed, somewhat, and the right amount of water, somewhat. So we'll fill all this in and it'll be gone in a week. All right, we're all done. I'm gonna clean up the cooler, put the lid back on, put it away. It's just a little sand and seed. I'm sure you've had worse as far as maybe a moldy sandwiches. So a little sand and seed isn't gonna hurt anything, especially if we're gonna wash it up, clean it up again. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.